Small repair shops are on the brink of closure as they grapple with labor shortages, rising operational costs, and shifting market dynamics. Ironically, this struggle arises amidst a booming demand for their services, driven by consumers opting to keep their vehicles longer. The paradox of high demand but insufficient resources means many of these local businesses are shutting their doors. Yet, within this challenge lies a silver lining for savvy entrepreneurs and skilled technicians ready to adapt. Those who can navigate these turbulent times stand to thrive by meeting the increasing need for quality repair services, potentially reshaping the industry landscape.